In today's world of AI, where everything can be done for you by just giving some very interesting prompts, what can you not do? You can create videos, you can create content, and you just sound like a genius, which of course you are. However, what would you do if you're in front of your client and you need to present your idea, like share it with them right now? Are you going to call AI to do that for you while you sit and watch? No, you're going to have to do that in person. So while AI is good and an important tool in today's world of work, you still need to be able to represent yourself. When it all boils down to it, you will be showing up somewhere, somehow. If you are going to be in some form influencing others, leading a team, or even leading an organization, you will need to do that yourself, and AI cannot represent you. I said all that to say this: presentation skills are still necessary, even more so in this day and age of AI doing all things for us. By the way, my name is Kunle. Some call me the presentation professor. I'll see you soon. Until then, present with passion and keep your flag flying.